Can you really make $500 a week online with no experience or fancy skills? Absolutely, but it requires a solid plan. Let's dive into how you can achieve this and what pitfalls to avoid. First, let's talk about freelance marketplaces. You don't need to be a designer or a coder to earn money on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Start with beginner-friendly gigs. For instance, you can create social media caption packs, AI-generated blog summaries, or product descriptions using ChatGPT. By combining tools like Canva and ChatGPT, you can easily charge between $10 and $50 per project. It's a straightforward way to leverage your time and skills, even if they're minimal. Next, consider selling simple digital products. This is where your creativity can shine. Think about creating Notion dashboards, printable planners, or budget templates. You can use free tools to design these products and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Just imagine, if one digital product sells 3 times a day at $7, that's $147 a week. It's a fantastic way to generate passive income with minimal upfront investment. Now let's explore microtask sites. Websites like Toloka, Clickworker, and Taskverse offer a variety of small tasks that you can complete in your spare time. Dedicating just 30 minutes a day can earn you between $10 and $20. If you stack 5 days of work, that's an easy $100 from microtasks alone. It's a simple way to boost your income without a significant time commitment. The key to hitting that $500 a week target is stacking 2 to 3 of these income streams. For example, you could aim for $150 from digital product sales, $200 from freelance gigs, and another $150 from microtasks. It's all achievable with consistent effort and smart time management. Finally, remember that you don't need to go viral to succeed. What you really need is consistency, the right tools, and a plan that aligns with your energy and lifestyle. If you're ready to take action and try this out, commit to it. The journey to earning $500 a week is within your reach.